say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the...
My only dilemma for this video is I have run out of my brow pencil. Okay, I just want to quickly say I'm not naked. I definitely have a spaghetti strap shirt on and you just can't see it. I used the Precisely My Brow by Benefit and the rest of it just came out. I love that. So this is what was left. So I'm going to show you an alternative brow routine if you run out of your brow pencil. Okay, so to start off this tutorial, you brush your brow hairs up, and here I'm using a NYX double-ended spoolie and brush from, I just said NYX, but yeah. You see how it's flat there? My dog bit it, so, and I didn't want to go out and buy a new one, so this is what we're working with. This is called a number 18 brush, and I'm using the Anastasia tip brow. And as you see, I'm starting off at my arch, the bottom of my arch first, and then going towards my tail, because I feel like the pomade just works best if you use the most amount of product at the end of your brow rather than the front, because then you'll have block brows, and we don't like that in 2019. So you see here, I'm using whatever leftover product to go underneath the front of my brow just to kind of create more thickness. And you see how I like do strokes up so that all the product isn't in one place, and then I'll go through my brows with a spoolie and just to like kind of make it look less harsh. And then here I start at my arch. I create my arch as high as I want it. I usually don't go too high, but it also helps with making my brow look thick. So yeah, I'm just going to connect that towards my tail of my brow. Let me go ahead and do my other brow so that I can show you guys concealer. Okay, now we're moving on to concealer. I'm using the Fenty Concealer in 290, and first I'm layering on a pretty decent layer just so that I have enough coverage, or the coverage that I like. And then with the e.l.f. flat top brush, I'm going to be pushing product down just so that not a lot of product is too close to my brow to where it just kind of looks really cakey. Okay, now that I'm done basically carving, I'm going to then spread out the concealer all over my lid evenly so that when I blend it out with the Beauty Blender that it'll blend out easier. And then I'm going to go in with a Brow Duo by Anastasia and fill in sparse areas. And then after that, I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye!
Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy.